We gon' do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am, but I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind, and you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. The name of the hair is Outre Converti-Cap and the style is Bahama Mama. I have the color number 2. This is their stock card, and as you can see, the model is wearing 3 different hairstyles. So guys, I'll be creating a variety of style with this hair. The cap construction, it has 2 combs at the back and 2 combs on either side at the front and a drawstring at the back. As you all can see, my hair is in a ponytail, but this section is left out. I will be doing some flat twist, guys, so for all you guys who can't cornrow or braid, you can go ahead and do some flat twists. I'll section the hair in 3. Hope you all can see what I'm doing because I have no clue how to explain this section.
Even now you're leaving me. Dreams and memories are fading. I know you walk with me. I hold to what we created. All my pain wants you to be present. All my love tells you stay in heaven. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. Call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to light the sky. So stand in line.
Now that the twists are finished, I'm adding some shine and jam to the twist. We're off to style number 1. You want to make sure you adjust all 4 combs, guys, because you don't want this thing falling from your head. No, we can't have that. So make sure all combs are secured and adjust the drawstring to your own liking. I am adding some water to the hair and separating the curls. You know the hairstyle isn't finished until the edges are laid. And here goes the first look. Now we're moving on to style number 2. For style number 2, we'll style the hair to the side. This is style number 2.
I hear your voice call in the night.
For style number 3, we'll be doing a updo with head wrap.
With other angels tonight.
Want to take some bobby pins or hairpin and shape the hair in the form of a puff. I am using the head wrap to wrap around the hair and make a bow at the side of the hair. And guys, you can also use a headband instead of the head wrap.
Leave the house, all of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful, I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl.
And here we have style number 3. For style number 4, I'll be doing a Mohawk hairstyle. First, you want to flip the hair on the right to the left and use bobby pins to shape the hair in the form of a mohawk, and you'll do the same thing to the other side. While shaping the hair with the bobby pins, if you gotta use your scissors and trim a little, guys, you gotta do that. This one is a win for me. It is affordable and you can create so many hairstyles from this one hair. It is $23, guys. Can you beat this? And it doesn't look synthetic. The link is in the description down below. If you're interested, you can go and check it out. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like this video, go ahead and leave your girl a thumbs up. Until next time, bye.